Hi guys! I haven't been wearing makeup for the past 2 weeks because of my laser tattoo removal, and I'm finally able to wear makeup again, so I'm gonna film a little get ready with me. I'm going out for dinner with my friends later today. I'm meeting them at a really nice restaurant called Dovetail. It's this little cute chic Italian place in Vancouver in Yale Town, so I'm super excited to see them and I'm super excited to be wearing makeup again. I'm doing this like weekly series on TikTok where I'm recreating other people's makeup, so today I'm filming recreating Brooke Schofield, I don't know, you know who I'm talking about. Recreating Brooke's makeup. I actually stalked her on Instagram until I found a video she did like ages ago about doing her own makeup, so that's the kind of makeup I'm gonna do today. I'm starting off with filling in my eyebrows with this from Urban Decay. I actually love this product. When they first sent it to me, I used to have like super dark hair and I didn't bleach my eyebrows at the time, so it did not match at all, but right now it's the perfect color. It's double-ended. One end is like more of a pencil crayon kind of like feel, and the other side is a liquid side for like more detailed hair-like strokes. Love this. One of my favorite eyebrow products that I've tried so far. I feel like it's really easy to use. And yeah, Brooke's makeup's like super simple. She doesn't do a lot, which is actually like the opposite of my usual. She's like more of a clean girl, aesthetic kind of girl, which is fine. It's fun to try new aesthetics in my opinion, so I'm really excited for this. So yeah, after I did like the crayon side, I'm gonna take the felt tip liquid side to draw some hairs. Also from Urban Decay, this is their Big Bush eyebrow gel. I like this a lot because it's not a laminate like eyebrow product. It makes the eyebrows bushy, as the name suggests, and it's in the same color that I used for the pencil. They actually sent me these two at the same time when they were doing like their eyebrow product promotion PR, and I'm surprised that I really like them. I feel like not a lot of brands have been doing eyebrow products lately. I did my regular skin prep under, so I did my Charlotte Tilbury eye cream, my Glow Recipe toner, and dewdrops, and now I'm gonna be using the Fenty skin tint. This is the tinted one, and I'm in shade 4 of this. I love it so much. It's so natural, and she gives very natural girl vibe in all of her videos. It almost feels like I have nothing on my face when I'm like blending this, because it's literally a skin tint that's an SPF and it's so lightweight, which is literally the point here. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Lancome Serum Concealer. You guys know that I love this concealer, and I'm in the shade 310N. It's very lightweight, very serum-like, and again, very natural, which is what we're going for. Just blending it with my Morphe concealer brush. I've been using this brush for years. I probably need to like replace it, but honestly nothing compares to it. I've tried so many other different brushes for my concealer, and I still think that this is the best one. For blush, we're doing Rare Beauty in shade Hope. I feel like she always has a pretty like pink blush on, but like it's not too overpowering, and at the same time like it still looks very like natural, and I feel like the Rare Beauty Hope blush gives that vibe. I don't love a lot of Rare Beauty's products. I feel like this is a very unpopular opinion, but this one is good in my opinion. I added a little bit of the Makeup by Mario contour. She doesn't have a lot of contour definition in her photos, however she does look very bronzy. That's why I added it. Gonna add a little bit of nose freckles with this from Salty Face. I find that this is the most natural freckle product that I've tried so far. I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury powder to set my under eyes, and I'm gonna bring this up to my eyelids to make them brighter as well and conceal that stupid eyeliner tattoo that I still have. I am so annoyed that I have to do like at least 3 to 4 more sessions for it to completely be gone. But yeah, she usually doesn't do like any eyeliner. There's nothing really on her eyes except for like mascara and lashes sometimes, so that's what I'm trying to like recreate with this. I felt that the cheeks could be a lot more pink, so I'm using this Annabelle blush to just layer it over where we put that other cream blush earlier. This is like my first time ever using this product. This is by MAC, and it's their Lash Lift primer. So I wanted to use it to get that like super wispy long lash look that Brooke always has in her photos and videos. She has like the nicest lashes ever, I swear. And then for actual mascara, I'm using Fenty Beauty. You guys know I love this mascara. It's one of my favorites. It's either this or the Lancome usually, and it just doesn't clump my lashes at all. I added the most natural lashes I own. They're from Lily Lashes. Everything is going to be linked in my bio, so don't worry, you're going to find all the products. I'm lining my lips with this pink lip liner from Buxom. I love this lip liner. It's my go-to. And then for gloss, I'm using this from Sigma. It's one of the prettiest glosses I own. It's a very like nudie pink. I didn't want to go for like a very bright pink because she has like almost clear lips, but her lips are naturally like very pinkish. This is the final makeup. It was very simple, very fresh, very like clean girl. I actually like how it turned out. I love how like big and open my eyes look. No black eyeliner like I usually do. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to dinner to say hi to my friends and see what I eat. And then tomorrow I'm really excited because I'm taking you guys with me for a collab with Olaplex. I'm actually going to Brush Salon in Gastown, and they're doing my hair with all Olaplex's new products, and I'm literally so excited. I love getting my hair done professionally. Hi guys, I just parked to go to dinner. I'm so pissed off that I actually forgot to bring my vlogging camera with me, so I'm literally filming on my phone right now. I'm gonna show you what I order, a little bit of what my friends and I get to do at dinner. I haven't seen my friends, the ones that I'm meeting now, in literally ages because everyone was like traveling and stuff, so I'm super excited. What's up you guys? I just wanted to come on here and say hi really quick. This is the second day of this vlog video. I just filmed a quick review on the new MAC foundation. They improved their Studio Fix formula, and I am really curious to see how this lasts throughout my day. I filmed it for TikTok, so go check that out on my TikTok if you're guys interested in seeing how like this foundation lasts. Overall, I like how it's kind of a mixture between their serum foundation and their original Studio Fix formula. I hate the original Studio Fix formula because it's the only foundation that ever gives me pimples, so hopefully this is a lot better. I got the shade NC42, which is my summer shade. It's a little bit darker for when I am tan and bronzy. This is like the packaging of this new foundation. It has SPF in it, and overall I think that this is gonna be super good for the summer. I didn't want to film the makeup today because I filmed yesterday's makeup and I didn't want to do like 2 makeup looks in one video. I feel like that would be too much, so I actually filmed the tutorial of this like peachy summery eye makeup look for TikTok as well, so check it out over there if you guys are interested. I'm gonna head out in a few hours to my collaboration with Olaplex and Brush Salon in Vancouver. So Olaplex reached out to me to go get my hair washed and blow dried and styled at Brush Salon. I'm super excited for that. I love getting my hair professionally done, especially with my hair extensions in. I literally like hate washing my hair. I feel like it takes forever and I'm just like not the best at it, and I'm not patient enough for it. So this is gonna be something super exciting. Oh, another thing before I forget, I feel like I'm throwing in a lot of products in this video, but I just want to say that I really love the new Kiehl's SPF sunscreen under my makeup. I have it on under the MAC foundation today, and it's SPF 50. It like literally blended so perfectly, did not do any like white cast or like weird things, and I highly recommend this. I'm not usually someone to just shove products in your guys' faces because I literally don't like doing that, but if I truly genuinely like a product and no one's paid me to say this, I will tell you guys, and this here is a winner. Also random, yesterday when I was opening my car door, I broke my nail. It's really sad, but it literally came in one piece. Like it kind of looks like a fake nail that I can glue back on, so I'm gonna try doing that and see if it works because this is just so sad. I got my nails done like pretty recently. Can hear me at all, but I'm currently at Brush Salon with Olaplex and I'm super excited to get my blowout done. I'm literally so obsessed with my hair right now. It's giving, you know, that viral AI photo of that pretty, like, old money hair that went viral on TikTok like ages ago. This is how I feel. I feel like my hair kind of looks like this right now. Obviously, like, the wind kind of ruined it, but it's gorgeous. I always love getting my hair like blown out in like a voluminous kind of way, and they gave me a goodie bag. I'm excited to show you guys what Olaplex gave me. Sorry, I like had to grab a piece of bread because on my way back in the Uber from the hair salon, I kind of felt like super lightheaded. I feel like the Uber driver was going really fast. Also, I like barely ate today and it's almost dinner time, so I literally like need to eat whatever like I can find, and I grabbed this piece of rye bread from the fridge. I think this is doing the job. Also, side note, I had to change out of that yellow top when I got home because it was honestly like so annoying. It kept falling off my shoulders. I love that top so much though. It's from White Fox, and I wish White Fox was a little bit more accessible to us in Canada because the duties kind of suck. Like, I always have to pay a lot of duties when I order stuff from there. It's really cute, but again, it wasn't very functional, so I had to change out of it. But yeah, Olaplex gave me this little goodie bag. The workers at Breast Salon were so nice and they did such an amazing job with my hair. I actually got to chat with Michael, one of the owners, and he's literally the nicest, sweetest person ever. They gave me a refill of number 3, which is the treatment. I love this product so much. I feel like the Olaplex bun literally saved the health of my hair considering how often I change my hair color and my hairstyle. My favorite, the number 4 shampoo. I literally have another bottle. I still haven't opened of this, but I use this shampoo like very frequently. It's my favorite, especially like after I bleached my hair. I feel like it really maintains my hair health. Number 5, the conditioner. Love this so much as well. I'm not a big like conditioner fan in general. I would say that I prefer using like hair masks over hair conditioner. However, I do like the Olaplex one. I feel like it's one of my favorites. This is my favorite Olaplex product ever. I go through this so quickly. I use this a lot on my hair because it has heat protectant in it, and it's also like an oil that adds like a lot of shine and reduces frizz and stuff, and my hair definitely needs that, especially in the summer. And I heat style my hair very often because like my natural hair is so curly and it doesn't match my hair extensions, and I have to like make them match the hair extensions, so I have to like go in with a blow dryer and then a hair straightener and then a curling iron. It's a whole process, and this like I feel like maintains my hair health when I go through that. And the stylist today used it on my hair as well when he was doing the curls and like the styling at the end, so I feel like it's definitely like a really good product for that kind of stuff. Okay, this is a leave-in treatment that Olaplex has, number 6. This is also a refill that I have a few bottles of that I still need to open. I'm still like going through the one that I'm currently using right now. I do like this a lot. Usually when I use this though, I section my hair and I separate the extensions from my natural hair, and I only use it on my natural hair because the product here has a lot of like bonding stuff and like extensions are dead, so I don't want to like waste good stuff on the extensions. So I just like section my hair and just put it on my natural hair when I use it. I also saw my stylist use this today. I've actually never tried this before. I feel like it's one of Olaplex's very new products. It's a volumizing blow dry mist, so it's the reason why I have a lot of volume in my roots right now. Super nice. I'm literally obsessed. I'm so excited to actually get to start using this when I blow dry my own hair because I love voluminous hair. Like, so good. Chef's kiss. Like, nothing better than voluminous hair in my opinion. I don't really like having flat hair. It's just not the vibe, you know? I feel like considering I have like a lot of like Olaplex products that I still haven't used because I have like a lot of refills from everything. Do you guys want me to like do a giveaway in like partnership with Olaplex and give you guys my hair care routine basically? Is this something that y'all would like or not really? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing what you guys have to say, so let me know. And this is it for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. I always love chatting with you guys and like showing you what I get to do. The last 48 hours were so fun with you guys. Make sure to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Like, what the fuck are you doing? Go subscribe to my channel and check out my other social media accounts. I'm on Instagram and TikTok with the same username, heya.itsmar. That's actually my username on all of my accounts, so it's easy to find, and I'll have everything linked in the description box below of all the products that I mentioned, everything that I used when doing like my makeup and stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!